Welcome to Perfect Making channel. Like, subscribe, press bell icon.
Hi guys, today I have prepared crispy corn from the channel called Terrace Kitchen. Have taken boiled sweet corn, salt as per the taste, and chopped coriander, whereas she has used a spring onion and lemon juice, corn flour, red chili powder, chaat masala, and oil for frying. Initially, we have to take all the boiled sweet corn into a bowl, mixing bowl, and we should make sure that there is less amount of moisture in this and no water should be there. For that, I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour, and salt for taste. And even when I was boiling the corn, I have added some amount of salt. I'm just trying to make in the same way as the terrace kitchen person did it. So yes, I gave it a good mix. So once it was done, I started deep frying it. Guys, trust me, it was really hard to fry it. Yeah, I mean, like, it will burst so hard. Like, it was really tough game. Deep frying raw oil corns were really a tough game. And I prepared the seasoning, taking some chili powder into a bowl, and then I added salt, chaat masala. I gave it a good mix. So after that, these were the fried corns, and then I took it out. I put all the seasonings to it, and a little bit of lemon juice. As per this also depends as your taste. Someone likes it very like khatta and all, they can have it. So this depends completely on your taste, and even the seasoning which you put, no, like, depends on how much spicy you need, depends like that. So give it a good mix again, and make sure you put all the seasonings before it is too cold. Finally, add some chopped coriander, and you can serve it with any kind of a dip. I've served it with tomato ketchup. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share.